Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you and show you what to do if your lock screen pattern is not recognized by your OnePlus 12R. If you are sure that the password that you have set is not recognized by your phone, let me for example show it to you. I do have something like this and it's incorrect pattern. If you are sure that it was your lock screen pattern, there is only one way to actually bypass it. It's for example, having this fingerprint or the Face ID added in. Once you do have the access to your phone, go to your phone settings and scroll down to the security and privacy. Here tap device unlock. Here tap screen lock, and now you are prompted second time to draw your lock screen pattern. If it doesn't work here, we need to move to the next thing. Actually, I do have this one here in my device, and now we are here. If it worked for you, if your real password worked here but isn't working in the pattern lock like phone lock, if you do have the access to this one, tap turn off password and tap disable. Now, and after this process, you'll need to set up every single lock screen lock actually in your device once again, but it will be all fixed. If it didn't help you, if you don't have the access to your device, we have to move to the next thing. Hold the power button and volume up. Click it actually. Move the right dot to the power off. And of course, this method is with the data loss, and you have to remember that this is with the data loss, and that's why you do backups actually, and that you'll lose all your photos, videos that are not backed up in the cloud, for example. So, now when our phone is turned off, we need to hold the volume down and power button until you see the OnePlus logo. Once seen, hold only the volume down logo. Volume down button. Volume down button. Pardon me. Now, once you see this menu of the language selection, you have to move this with this volume down button to English. Click the power button here. Click power on the format data and rewrite this verification code right here. After that, you just have to confirm that you want to format the data, and that's it. You have to just remember the password to your Google account that was set and logged into your device. It's because here in this phone, and even in most Android phones, we have something called Google FRP. Google FRP is nothing but a log for some stealers, for example. It's because when somebody steals your device, they won't have the access to it because they didn't know the password for your Google account. And this phone is just unusable. Your data is safe. So now, once formatted, you have to just enter the password and you'll be good to go. Of course, without data. Of course, if you don't want to do it yourself, you have to contact the device support and they will do it for you. But of course, this is a paid issue, unfortunately. It's because this is your own fault and it's not covered by any warranty. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!